Hi, and welcome back to a new video for a new model of the APT angle grinder. Today I got my hands on a new model for the baby APT angle grinder. That's funny, it's a baby for real. It's a very small angle grinder, but it's very powerful. And as well, it's very safe, and I will talk about that later in detail, why it's very safe. Let me show you first the unboxing. So we got APT. It's 1150 watts, 5-inch, 125 millimeter, and the model is DW05372. That's the box. As we can see, always they do the APT logo on the box. Look at that. It's very wonderful how they make their products. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. So here's the box. Let's see, we got a manual here. And again, it's APT. You can see the logo. I love it. I love how this company makes its logos. So this is the manual. Of course, you can read the instructions, how to install the disc, and how to install the safety guard, and all of that. So let's put that aside. It comes with, wow, a wonderful grip. And again, it has the APT logo on it. See? It's a very strong grip and a soft grip as well. And it has the APT logo. I hope you can see that clearly. So that's the grip. And what's that? Let's see what we have. What else we have? Oh, it comes with the disc for testing the angle grinder. It's a different company. It's not APT. And it cuts metal. Look at that shiny disc. That looks very wonderful. Okay, let's put that aside as well. And let's see. Hopefully it comes with the locking key. Oops. What's that? Oh, safety guard as usual. Okay. Grip and safety guard. And the manual. And the angle grinder itself. Oh, I got the locking key. Let's see how it looks. Look at the locking key. That's the locking key. And it's very powerful and it looks cool. I love it. See how that's small? It's very small. As you can see, it's a very powerful locking key, but it's very small, just to help you install the disc easily. So that eases installing the disc in place. So let's see what else do we have here. Oh, this time not all angle grinders come with that. That's the core, the ferrite core. The stones used to make the spark to make the angle grinder work. That's extra stones. They usually stay for long before you change them. So that's cool. Let's see the angle grinder itself. So that's what's all in the box. Let's see the angle grinder. Wow. Look at that. See how that is small? It's heavy, by the way. I hope you can see that on camera very well. That's the angle grinder. And it's 220 volt to 240 volt. Sorry. 50 hertz. From 3,000 to 11,000 revolution per minute. And it's 1,150 watts. As you can see. And that's the variable speeds. You can change the speed from here. It has 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. It has 6 speeds. And it has the turning on and off button. I love that button. That's a safety button, by the way. And it has that locking button for the metal ring. And we will see that in a minute in operation. Let's test it out and see how it performs. So let's put that helmet aside, that safety helmet. Okay, I'm going to give it a test firing and see how it performs. Okay, ready guys? Let's see how it performs. That's the first speed. Wow. We're testing it without using any discs. Okay. Let's turn second speed. Wow. That's called soft start. Third speed, it starts blowing lots of air. Fourth speed, fifth speed, and the sixth speed. Wow, lots of air. Wow, that was cool. It's a very powerful angle grinder, and I tested it right now. It's performing very well, and as you can see, it has this safety lock. I forgot to talk about the safety. Let me show you something that most of the people thinks it's a malfunction somehow. Turn on the angle grinder and turn it off, turn it on and turn it off, turn it on and off. If you continue to do that, it will stop turning. You know why? I'm trying to do it just to get it to stop. It's not stopping. Oh, okay, it stopped. You know why is that? That does not mean it malfunctioned. It stopped because to prevent on and off. See? It was on. And I tried doing this, messing it up this way. It made it stop for some time. See? It's not happening again. I have to do, yeah. So now it's turned on, as you can see, and it's not working. I have to turn it off and turn it back on so it starts softly. This is called safety. You know why? Let's say you're working with the disc and you're cutting metals, and somehow the electricity went off suddenly, and you thought about, hey, I'm tired, let's put the angle grinder aside. While you're putting it aside, what happens suddenly again is the electricity suddenly comes up, and the angle grinder was set on the 6-speed, so it will just like gets pushed very violent. So if you're not aware, like, it will just do like this. See? And it might cause an injury or cut your hand, things like that, if you're not aware. So what about the the most wonderful things of the APT company is that they designed this to be safe. So when the electricity goes off and turns back on, it will not start again unless you turn it off, just to prevent this from happening suddenly and causing injuries. Just like I showed you with the button manually. See? I stopped it again. It's not working. That's called safety, guys. This is called safety. So I have to turn it off and wait some time and turn it back on so it starts softly. See? It will not take its full speed suddenly. Look. Just to prevent this from happening, let's say you're on the 6-speed and this happened. This could be very dangerous. So, APT just made it safe just to prevent this from happening. So, that's what I wanted to show you about this safety. And again, guys, thanks for watching the APT unboxing part 1. And I hope I covered all the good parts for the APT company. And stay tuned for part 2, watching the APT angle grinder in operation.